How to achieve this easy half up, half down kid style. So as you can see, Chanel is laying down with her head face forward and her hair in the sink. I'm rinsing her hair, making sure all of the dirt is out before I put the shampoo. I have the wide tooth comb because this is perfect for thick hair. Okay, so here I have the shampoo, which is Cream of Nature, mango, and shea butter. I'm thoroughly making sure I have all of her strands filled with shampoo to make sure all of her hair is very clean. And just keep massaging and massaging and making sure you have the ends of the hair. That's very important to have her whole head covered. Make sure you get those sides and the back. I have a towel under Chanel's neck to make sure she's very comfortable because washing your hair can get uncomfortable at times. Get that back. Scrub those strands just like you're bathing your body. You scrub those strands and scrub and massage. Okay, so here you see me rinsing all of the shampoo out because you don't want to get up and you have leftover residue from the shampoo in your hair because that happens oftentimes when you have thick hair. Get that middle. Get all of that shampoo out. Get that back, can't leave the back out. You just continue to keep. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Cream of Nature conditioner. Conditioner is very important. You have to have conditioner with every wash. Okay, all done. Time to detangle. Okay, here you're going to see me part the hair in 4 sections. I'll be using Cantu Detangler spray for kids. I find it easier parting the hair in 4 sections. That way I know all of the hair is detangled. This is As I Am, my favorite detangler condition. Okay, now we're going to get started on the back twist. Okay, so I personally chose to do my twist medium, although you can do them small if you like. Okay, I'm going to go in with some Shiny Gem Extra Hold. When starting the twist, you want to start as close to the roots as possible. This will help you maintain a long-lasting twist. Again, you're going to want to start as close to the roots as possible. This is going to help create a neat style. part is real simple. You're going to see me go in with the shining gem around the edges, make a ponytail, and twist it right on up. I would suggest a good brush and some durable ponytail holders or scrunchies for this. Keep watching, the style is coming together. Okay, so I've put some setting lotion to set the buns at the top. I'm going in with some castor oil. And there you have it. This is Trees with Natural Girl Strands. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified.